Hey Rand, I wanted to go over the new on-screen lead capture page edit system. I've been working on this. This is what you wanted, where you can change out the functions for going through all the pages of information, where we can do everything on screen and see the updates with the lead capture page showing right there for the realtor. I apologize, this video might be a little long, but I just want to show you all of the differences and the changes so you have a good idea of what was done. I'm going to just go through and pick one of the lead capture pages that we work with and just show you the different options that are on here. This one here is the 7 critical questions, so it's 7424405. Okay, so if you bring up this screen, this will be the new screen. It's not active yet. I'm just using it so that I can show you to go through everything and make sure it's what you were looking for. I will send you a link so that you can play around with it a little bit on one of your lead capture pages. But this is the first page of this lead capture page, and we have a couple different options up here. We have the lead capture page options, the colors, modify any text, modify the forms, and to see the page stats. The refresh page, I'll show you what that does, and back brings you back to the client creator main menu. So the first thing we can do is we can click on the options. It comes out with a kick out menu. You can change the template design to put a new design on it. You can deactivate the website. You can change the email campaigns, the website name, create a shortened URL, change the background image, Facebook ad setup, the files that download, website direct, so after they engage they get redirected, and the header scripts is if they want to put Facebook pixels in it or a disclaimer. The colors, they can change the background color, they can change the body background color, which is this brown right here. The form text color, which is the black right here, the submit button text color, the white on the instant download, and the submit button color. For instance, if I want to change the submit button color, I just come in here and change that and update that. Okay, and close the screen, and then we refresh it, and it'll show the new color. I'm actually going to change that back. So you can see the changes that you have instantly on the lead capture page. So the other thing is you can change the form fields on here. So you want to change the, click on the form fields here. If you wanted to add one, you can add the, we'll just put lot size on here. I'm going to get rid of it anyway. You're going to add it. Okay, it's listed here. You click update, save it to this window. And then if you hit the refresh button, the lot size comes right there. So that's automatically added onto there. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Remove that. And I'm actually going to remove this. That one's okay. Okay, these are done. Refresh it. Shows it. It's off of there. I'm going to, I'm not sure if this one's a 2-page. This one is not a 2-page. Hang on. Okay, I went to go get a 2-page lead capture page so that I can show you this one as well. So similar to that other lead capture page, we can change all of the information on here. If we wanted to change the header text, you just click on here and you can change the text right here. I'm just going to add an exclamation point just so you can see it changes. And we'll refresh. You see the exclamation point changes there. We'll change that back. Refresh it and it takes it away. So I showed you the forms on that one. This is a nice little different feature now. This is the second page of this, so we can click on forms and we can go, if we wanted to change the header on this page, we can do that here. If we want to change and add another field here, I'm going to change and ask for area of interest. Add that form field, so now area of interest is updated. And we refresh the page and there it is right there. So again, these changes are live. You're actually looking at the lead capture page. So anything that you want to change within the site, you can see just right away. I'm going to change the colors. We can change the color. I'm going to change this body background color just so you can see the change. Make it a little bit of green. Refresh it and changes the color. Put it back. Okay. I'm going to show you one of the stats. One is the page statistics of how many people engaged on it and who hits and engagement, and they can reset that if they want, if they have an ad running and they want to track that information. The other thing I wanted to show you, email campaigns and text campaigns. They can assign a text campaign here and an email campaign. So yeah, they can change the email campaign that's on the system, as well as the text campaign just from right here. They can just choose whatever campaign they want to assign to this lead capture page and update it, and it will be it'll modify it right away. They can also change the shortened URL if they want to create. Sorry, that was a page name. If they want to change a shortened URL, they can create that right here within the page. If they want to change the template design, I don't want to change it, but I'll just show you how they can pick another template design. If they want to apply to this template, they would just basically select it and do the modifications right there. Okay, I'm going to show you one of the other lead capture pages, the instant home valuation, so you can see the CMA options as well. Okay, this one is the CMA for the instant home valuation, and this goes for all of them. The options are a little bit different here because you have some different features for the CMA that are not available on the lead capture page. Basically, all of this information under the options stays the same. Same thing with colors, text, same thing. The one thing you'll notice here is there's another button for CMA details. So if they want to turn on or off the CMA report, they can do that here. The CMA adjuster, they can adjust right from within here. They can also turn the comps on or off. The pop-up message that appears when people come to the lead capture page, GPS feature, the video. You can see this actually here. We'll turn that video on and you'll see the video will pop up. Alright, I didn't see the video pop up, so I'll take a look at that to make sure it works. CMA monthly email, this can be turned on or off as well with each of the lead capture pages. There's the guess your home value that has one, and here's also, I'll show you the new open house lead capture page that we just. So on this one too, similar options at the top. You can change a lot of the stuff, the same thing here, but you'll notice there's another one here now has open house. So if you want to change the open house image, if you want to change the address of the open house, if you want to change the dates of the open house, you do that all right here. Change the forms, same thing, form fields. This has got the name and email address. We can change that here. Color, this one has a color scheme on it. So I'll show you how to change that. So we just changed the color scheme by modifying that. I'm going to put that back. So it makes changing and modifying everything a little bit more simpler. I'm going to take one of your lead capture pages and send you the link so that you can play around with this to make sure it's how you want it. But I think this is a cool feature where people will be able to see the changes instantaneously on the system. So let me know, take a look over, and if you want to activate this, we can move forward pretty quickly on it. Thanks, Ray.